Nobel laureate Muhammad Yunus is now the head of the interim government in Bangladesh. Soon after landing in Dhaka, he made a public address declaring that attacks on minorities must stop. Violence and arson, though, continues across the country. Meanwhile, Sheikh Hasina, the former Prime Minister, continues to be at the Hindon Air Base near Delhi, and there is no clarity yet on her next move.
400 dead and counting. Bangladesh remains on the edge days after protest against Sheikh Hasina gripped the country. The long spell of violence saw temples being burned, houses of Hindus being attacked and looted. Many Bangladeshi Hindus are trying to enter India from the border. Security agencies have been issued an alert warning that terrorists and other criminals who have escaped from Bangladeshi jails may try to enter India.
The instability in a neighborhood is another cause of concern for us. A strong armed force backed by a strong defense industrial sector is hence a sine qua non for the nation state. For a large nation like India, with plenitude of security problems, it cannot remain dependent on foreign imports for war fighting and sustenance, especially in an environment where the global security environment is in a state of flux and we have live borders at hand.
Meanwhile, mural paintings of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman were whitewashed in Bangladesh. With the new interim government led by Nobel-winning economist Muhammad Yunus taking shape, Bangladesh is hoping for normalcy.
এই স্বাধীনতাটা আমাদেরকে রক্ষা করতেই হবে শুধু রক্ষা করার না এই স্বাধীনতার সুফল প্রতিটি মানুষের ঘরে পৌঁছাতে হবে তা না হলে স্বাধীনতার কোনো দাম নেই এই স্বাধীনতাকে পৌঁছানো হলো আমাদের জগৎ আমাদের যে প্রতিজ্ঞা যে আমাদেরকে এটা করতে হবে ঘরে ঘরে পৌঁছাতে হবে মানুষ যেন জানে যে বাংলাদেশ স্বাধীন হওয়ার অর্থ হলো তার নিজের পরিবর্তন ব্যক্তির পরিবর্তন সুযোগের পরিবর্তন তার ফ্যামিলির ভবিষ্যতের পরিবর্তন এটা যেন প্রত্যেকে বুঝে নেয়
Former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, who fled to India, remains at the Hindon Air Base near Delhi. Her son, Sajib Wazir Joy, who had earlier ruled out Hasina's return to Bangladesh, has now backtracked.
আমরা বলেছিলাম যে আমার পরিবার আর রাজনীতি করবে না তবে আমাদের নেতাকর্মীর উপর যেভাবে হামলা হচ্ছে এই পরিস্থিতিতে আমরা হাল ছেড়ে দিতে পারি না
The new government headed by Yunus has a big challenge ahead. First, it has to bring the mindless violence against Awami League members and Hindus and then push ahead with plans for economic revival. Bureau Report, India Today.